I was having a chat the other night with an acquaintance. They were trying to sell a house but kept getting one specific objection in this retirement community. I asked, when you get that objection, what do? And they responded like most salespeople, and they said, well, I go back over all of the reasons they like the house and how they would love the house if they bought it. Really? Is that what you've been taught to do also? Because the only real answer is to what? What is the real answer to any objection in any sales? The only answer is one thing, and that is to ask. Who, what, why, where, when. The answer and every answer after that, no matter what they say, is simply to ask and help them make the decision to purchase. If they simply don't like the house, then your job is to ferret out what exactly they don't like. You probably should have done that before, right? But what is preventing them from moving forward if this seemed to be the right house? That is your only job in anything you're selling, to find out exactly what they want, to help them find it. Help them until they purchase. Isn't that what it's all about? Most salespeople want to answer the rejection. But how do you answer what you don't know? If they tell you what is preventing them from making that decision, sometimes it makes perfect sense. And other times it makes no sense at all, am I right? That is when it becomes your job to help them by asking them questions to help them make a great decision. I hear salespeople parrot back their wants. But you said you wanted this and that, right? And then they expect the buyer to simply say, oh yeah, now that you pointed that out, I'll just buy it. But the real job is to find out what you, as the salesperson, missed that is preventing them from buying. And the only answer to any objection, to any challenge in your life actually, is a question that needs to be answered. Learn more about selling more by attending one of my hands-on workshops. Make more money in your business. That's the name of it. Make more money in your business at stevesapatoseminars.com. God bless.